Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you'll find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way.
Good morning, sweets. Happy Sunday. So for those who don't follow me on my other socials, which you should, that is my 3-year-old named Jared. Say hi, baby.
Hi, Mommy.
Not me. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Kira.
Y'all, I know I need to be
Headphones.
more.
Headphones.
Your headphones are around your neck.
Hi,
Yeah. So I know I need to be more consistent on here. But y'all, there has been so much that's been going on. Like, my life is so busy. Like, from when I wake up to when I go to sleep, I'm doing something. So, no excuses though, I know. But just a little, I guess, update on life since the last vlog. My classes started. My first session of classes started. And for those who don't know, summer classes are almost every day, so that's been hectic. Then the very next week, that one started school, so adjusting my schedule, his schedule, from what we normally do to having to go to class and go to school and all these things, it's been a lot. But I have like 2 more weeks of this summer session, so I'm ready to get it over with. But we're one step closer to being a nurse, y'all. So there's that. This video is gonna predominantly be like what we do to kind of get ready for the week, just different things that we kind of do on Sundays just to kind of relax, to reset, to restart, however you want to put it, to get ready for tomorrow. So right now we're about to head to the grocery store. It is 9 o'clock in the morning right now, so hopefully it's not too busy. I don't normally do the groceries on the weekends just because I hate going to the store on the weekends. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So we're gonna try to get that knocked out, and I will probably be back to talk to y'all after we get back from the store.
It's better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke was better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness, or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next, I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Respect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Respect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Alright friends, so it's currently 12:30ish. I just got Jared down for his nap. I'm gonna try to get some things done while he sleeps, because when he wakes up, he'll be getting his bath. I'm gonna do his hair for school this week. I'm probably gonna do some braid, cornrow type situation. I have homework to do, editing to do, planning to do. I just want to check back in with y'all, but let's keep the Sunday going.
Respect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Respect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing.
Alright friends, so it is about 5:45. We have, of course, woken up from our nap, eaten lunch, we've bathed, we've done his hair for school. You like your hair?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So we are ready. I still have some homework to do. And the day is almost over.
Respect To all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean,
I just realized that I never did an outro for yesterday. It is the next day. It is Monday morning, 7 o'clock. I am headed to the gym, doing my usual thing. But thank y'all for watching my video, for coming in my channel. Don't forget to like,